there. Thank you for speaking with me for a second earlier and giving me the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. Now, I did do quite a bit of digging and I want to share the information that I found with you. So when your future customers are searching for your services, so in example, Hydroseeding Puyallup, the first thing that comes up is what's called the Google Map Pack. That's right here. That's the local business listings. Now, you guys are dominating the top #1 position. That's as good as it gets. So we'll just go ahead and move on to the next part. Now, the second thing that searchers will find just underneath that Google Map Pack is what's called the organic listings. So that's all of this right here. This is crucially important because 9 times out of 10, anyone searching for a product or a service is going to go to the first page and going to go with one of these top listings. Now, Hydroseeding and bark is definitely in there. You guys are right here. So, third position it looks like, which is great. I did kind of get curious though to see what it was that Pacific Northwest Hydroseeding was doing and what the difference was in between the two sites as far as performance value. So I just wanted to quickly go through the differences here and show you what I found. All right, so here is your site. Site's beautiful, it's clear, it's sharp, definitely informative, all around great site. Now, what Google wants to, well, actually, you know what? Let me explain the process. What Google does 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, is they crawl the internet. They crawl the internet looking at all of the web pages because they're looking for a couple of things. Number one, they're looking for what's called command content, and they want 1,500 words of command content. So that's all of your information that's on your first main page of your site. So that's all of this, everything. What they want embedded within that 15 words of command content are organic keywords. They use these organic keywords to match your future customers with what your site offers, and that is how they link the two of you together. Now, this also is what determines your rank. I pulled the numbers for your specific site, and it looks like you guys are running 334 words for that command content. So if that command content was brought up to that 1,500 mark with additional organic keywords sprinkled throughout, this would definitely help your current ranking in the 3rd position. In comparison, so here is Pacific Northwest Hydroseeding, and they, you know, to be completely honest, your site is far better looking in my opinion. Now, what they do have going on is they've got quite a bit of information. I ran the numbers on their site as well, and they are currently sitting at 839 command words. Now, they're not even half of the way there either, which is actually good news, because what that means is that if the command content was brought up on your site with, again, those organic keywords sprinkled throughout, then this site could be beatable. Obviously, the overall objective and goal here is to overtake their rank in that first top spot, right? So now what I then went ahead and did was I pulled my web crawler program. I have got the statistics on both your site and theirs, and we're going to take a look and see what everything as a whole means. Now, the first thing and most important thing I want to tell you about is the UR and the DR. What the UR is your trust factor. What the DR is your power factor. Now, it looks like you guys are running about 109,000 backlinks. What a backlink is essentially a shout out from another site. A link to your site is on another site, and what that does for you is it brings you A, exposure, B, credibility. Now, when we're talking about backlinks, quality is far more important than quantity. A relevant site with a high credential is going to give you more power. So having more is definitely not the key here, but you guys do have 109,000, it looks like. So organic keywords, which is what I was talking about a little bit ago when I said the organic keywords in that command content, it looks like you guys are about at 198. So looking at this whole entire picture, from you being in first place on the Google Map Pack to content words only being at 334, and the need to, you know, additionally increase the keywords. What this all looks like as a total picture is that your organic traffic rating is 137 folks a month that are traveling to your site. Okay. In comparison, here's Hydroseeding, Pacific Northwest Hydroseeding. This again is their trust factor. This right here is their power factor. Now they are only running 105 backlinks. What this tells me is that they have a lot of powerful backlinks, because again, they only have a total of 105. And it's generating and putting them in the rank of that first position with just 105. So, I mean, there's a multitude of variables that put them into the ranking that they're at, but this is a big one. And this tells me right here that they've got a lot of high-powered backlinks. Now, they've only got 31 people referring to them with those links that are giving them this high power. The cool thing is that I'm actually able to see every single referring domain, meaning I'm able to see every single site that has that link going from them to Pacific Northwest's site. So this is something that could absolutely be established for your site as well. Now they're running 365 organic keywords in that content like I was telling you about before. And what this is doing overall for them is giving them an organic traffic rating of 202. So that means 202 folks are searching for the exact same services that you offer. They are in the top positions, so their site is being clicked on. They are retaining their services, getting additional information, whatever the case may be. So I hope this hasn't been too confusing. I know I just shot a lot of information at you. Yeah, I just wanted to give you an overall picture of exactly what's going on between you and your competitor, the things that you can make changes on that would certainly boost your rank, and you know, with any luck, knock them out of their position. Actually, it's not luck; it's algorithms. So the bottom line here is that it's absolutely doable. You could outrank from the third position to the first position, and then of course be taking over this traffic. So I hope this has been informative. One more time, I do appreciate your time. Thank you for watching the video. If this is something that you wanted to pursue or look into, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. If it's not and you're happy where you're at, totally respect and understand that as well. And again, appreciate your time.